Hello, good morning everyone. It's My Little Pony Fan 2000. Yes, and I am back at again with another video. Yeah, because I'm just doing another video because today I'm just going to review and unboxing a Glinda Wicked doll. And I really got this yesterday, and I got this at Walmart for $25, which I could afford. So, let me show you the box of a doll. Okay, so this is a Glinda doll, and this one did Ariana Grande. This one is Ariana Grande as Glinda. And if I get elphaba for Christmas, that will be awesome. And here's the front of the box. And here is like the back of the box. So, maybe that's cool. Because you buy this. And it kind of means that you can actually buy it. So I'm going to open her up and show you what she looks like out of the box. So, BRB. Okay, so here's what she looks like out of the box. I know it takes a lot of time to get her out of the box. Sorry about that. But anyways, look at her. Her arms can move. And she has blonde hair, a pink flower, and maybe a pink, maybe one of the pink ruffles or puffy sleeves. And she has, she, um, I think that she has her pink nightgown that looks like that. Yeah, she has a pink nightgown that looks like that, or her dress, or whatever you want to call it. And there is her pink shoes that she is wearing. So this is her pink shoes that she's wearing. And her blonde hair looks really curly. Let me show you the back of it. Wow, this is beautiful, isn't it? Okay, the button is right here. So, so if you want to hear her sing, just press the button. Like, what's that? What's that? You want to hear her sing? Okay. Okay. Maybe just this once. Wait. Where's the button? Ah, there it is.
Popular. I'll help you be popular. You'll hang with the right cohorts. You'll be good at sports. Know the slang you've got to know. So let's start, cause you've got an awfully long way to go.
Yay! Thanks a lot, Ariana Grande. I love her so much. I love you so much, Glinda. You are my favorite toy. Cause you're my new favorite toy. Love her. Okay, so if you think her singing is beautiful, let me know in the comments below, and comment below of what do you want to see next as an unboxing video. Alright, hope you guys have a happy Sunday. I'll be going to church, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later. Bye. Say bye to the viewers, Ariana Grande. Bye. Just always remember, you can be popular.